In this video, I show you how to install VirtualBox for Windows 10. If this video helps you, please remember to like, subscribe, click the bell and leave a comment down below. Welcome, my name is Joe. Now let's get straight into installing VirtualBox for Windows 10. First of all, go to Google and then type in VirtualBox. You're looking for virtualbox.org and click the big Download VirtualBox button. Now you have a few options here. You can click onto Windows, OS X or Linux. I have a Windows computer, so I'm clicking Windows, and as you see, it will start downloading it straight away. Once it's completed, click on the installer and then click the Next button. Select the options you want. By default, everything should be set up for you, so just click Next, and you can change the location by clicking Browse if you need to. Again, I'm leaving all of these as default, but you may want to change them. They're your preferences. And then click Yes and Install. You may not have seen it on my screen, but I also had a Windows security prompt pop up. I just had to click Yes, and now I can click Finish. VirtualBox has now been installed. There isn't much happening at the moment, but please come back for the next video and I will show you how to install a virtual machine in VirtualBox. Thanks very much for your time. Please remember to leave a comment and subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.